Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about our TK-70INS 7-piece screwdriver kit. This kit has 7 insulated screwdrivers, 3 are Phillips head and 4 are slotted cabinet style screwdrivers. The screwdriver shafts are made from chrome vanadium steel and heat treated with black oxide finish for long life and durability. The screwdrivers meet or exceed IEC 6900 and ASTM F1505-01 standards. These screwdrivers are tested to 10,000 volts AC and are rated to 1,000 volts AC live use. The kit includes the following screwdrivers. For Phillips screwdrivers, we have the INS-180, which is a number 1 by 3-inch long shaft Phillips head screwdriver. We have the INS-2100, which is a number 2 by 4-inch long shaft Phillips head screwdriver, and the INS-3100, which is a number 3 Phillips head with a 6-inch long shaft. For the slotted screwdrivers, we have the INS-4100, which is a 5/32 inch by 4-inch long shaft slotted cabinet style screwdriver. We have the INS-475, which is a 1/8 inch by 3-inch long shaft slotted cabinet style screwdriver. We have the INS-6150, which is a 1/4 inch wide slotted cabinet style screwdriver with a 6-inch long shaft. And we have the INS-8175, is a 5/16 by 7-inch long shaft slotted cabinet style slotted screwdriver. All these screwdrivers come in our handy carry case. Thank you for watching our video. Please take a moment, like, share, comment below. Subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos from Jonard Tools.